Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 8th class maths algebraic expressions. A new chapter I am starting, that is algebraic expressions. So before going to the algebraic expressions, let us go for certain terminologies. The first one is constant term. What do you mean by constant term? Any numerical value, any numerical value is a constant term. Any numerical value. Numerical value means what? Any number. It is a constant term. Why do we call it as a constant? Because it will not change under any circumstances. So, as an example, we can take 5, we can take 8, 9, -3, 10, 0, 5 by 6, etc. Anything you can take. These all are numerical terms which will not change under any circumstances. So we call it as constant term. Okay, next, variables. What are variables? All letters or a numerical with a letter are called variables. Now, as the name indicates, variable means ever changing. It always keeps changing. How does it changes? It changes according to the value that you have given to the variable. So, any letters as an example, we can take any letters, we can take A, we can take P, we can take Q. Or numerical with a letter means 3x, 5 by Y, Z, 10Z, etc. Anything we can take as variables. As an example, let me take, if it is 3x, if I take for 3x, if x is equal to 1, then 3x means what? 3 into x. We will keep this into bracket. 3 into x, that is 3 into 1, that is 3. Now if I take x as equal to 5, then 3x is equal to 3 into x. So 3 into 5, that is 15. So see these values. These are not same. They are different. We have taken only one term. This is a variable. Why do we call it variable? I told you, no, it is a ever changing one. It is changing its value. See, 3x value has become 3. When we take x value as 1, 3x value has become 15 when you take x value as 5. So this is how you will be getting various changes in the variables, children. So variables can be only the letters or they may mix with the numerical. Those are all called as uh, variables. Okay, so if you have this knowledge, we are going to talk about algebraic expressions now. Please note it down. This is my introduction, children. Still we have, after this I'll explain. After coming to know what are variables and what are constant terms, we divide the expressions that are available to us. Expressions are divided into two terms. One is called numerical expression and another one is called algebraic expression. So one by one we will deal with. Expressions are divided into two types: numerical expression and algebraic expression. Numerical expressions, it deals with only numerals. Numerals means numbers. So we can write 5 plus 7 minus 3, 7 plus 4, 7 by 2. These all are considered as numerical expressions. Whereas algebraic expressions, it deals with variables. That is why to know what are constant terms and variables, I have given a small introduction, children. So algebraic expression, it deals with variables. Numerical expression deals with only numerals. So deals with variables means how will you get? Variables means 3x, 7y, 10p plus 4, 7x minus 2y plus 3z, etc. These all are considered as variables. Why? Because you have got every term, each comma indicates this is one term, this is one term, and this is one term, this is one term. So here, what are you getting? Every term has got a variable with it. So if you have a variable, then we call it as algebraic expression. If you have only numbers, we call it as numerical expressions. This type of problems you have done earlier in your lower classes about integers addition, normal addition, subtractions, multiplication and all. So here we are now dealing with this variables, children. Now these algebraic expressions are further divided into monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. So like this, algebraic expressions are divided. Mono means one. The meaning of mono is one. So monomials examples can be taken as 7x, 3y, z, 10p, etc. These all are considered as monomials. Why? Because each one is one term only, though it has got a numerical and a variable without plus or minus sign. This is multiplication and this is considered as single term. This is single term. This is single term. This is single term. So all these will come under monomials. Now, binomials. Bi means two. So binomials contain two terms, that is 2x plus 5, 7y plus 2z, like this, etc. I can write it like this. So it is not only plus, children. Let me take minus here so that you will have a clear idea. So any an algebraic expression which contains two terms, we call it as binomials. Algebraic expressions with one term, we call them as monomials. How do you count the number of terms? With plus or minus sign in between them. This is one term, this is one term. 1 plus 1, two terms. This is one term, this is one term. 1 plus 1, two terms. So like this we call it as binomial. Then trinomials. Tri means 3. So we have got A plus B minus C, 7x plus 3y plus 4z, etc. These all are considered as trinomials. Means what? In between them plus or minus will be there. Three terms will be there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we call it as trinomial. More than three terms, if they are there, we can call it as poly. Poly means what? Poly means many, countless. So we call it as polynomials. So I can write it as a plus 5p minus 6q plus 7z minus 4n, like this. This kind of things. It can be written any extent, many terms. We call it as polynomials. So I hope I am clear up to here, children. Please note it down. I will go further. Do this sums, children. Find the number of terms in the following algebraic expressions. They have given these values. Now we need to, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 bits there. 1, 2, 3, 4 bits I have written. So we need to find out what are the number of terms that are present in each of the given algebraic expressions. So you see this is only one term, because even though it has got x and y square, you know about this. Y square means y should be multiplied 2 times. So whatever it is, because there is no plus or minus sign between any of these values, it is one term. It is a monomial. One term means we call it as a monomial. Now here, how many terms we are having? This is one term. This is one term. So we have got two terms. So two terms means we call it as binomial. And here you see, one, this is 1, 2, 3 terms. So number of terms are 3. So we call it as trinomial. And here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got 4 terms in it. So we call it as polynomial. So I hope I am clear, children. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial they have given. That is the first one. Second problem, take different values of x and find the values of 3x plus 5. Earlier, just now I have done, children, with the 3x by taking different values. So let us take 3x plus 5 is the given equation. Let x is equal to 1. Then 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5. That is 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 is the answer for it. Now, if x is equal to 2, then 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. That is 6 plus 5. That is 11 is the answer. See how the values are changing. Suppose if I take x is equal to minus 1, then what am I getting? 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5. 2 is the answer. So take different values. They said I have taken 1, 2, 3 values. X is 2, x is minus 1. If you want, you can proceed it with the other values, children. So this is enough of it. This I hope I am clear to you, children. Please note it down. Different values, usually I have found students doing mistake here, children. These are all called uh, substitution methods, where you are substituting the value of variable. So this one should be kept wherever variable is there. So we should understand that when there is no sign between the number and the variable, that means it is multiplication. And this plus 5. 3x, 3 into 1 plus 5. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 5, 8. So this part, substitution part, if you are thorough with it, in your higher classes, you can do problems very easily. Here also 3x plus 5. X I have taken as a 2. 3 into 2, x means 3, x means 3 into x. So 3 into 2 plus 5, 6 plus 5 is 11. Next I took x value as minus because we should know about positive as well as negative numbers. So if I take 3x plus 5, 3 into minus 1 plus 5. 3, this is minus into plus, minus 3 ones are 3 plus 5, minus 3 plus 5, bigger number is 5 and it has got a positive number, positive sign, so answer will be in positive. From 5 if you subtract 3 you are getting 2. 2 is the answer. One more I will do, children, only one more. That is if I take x is equal to 0. If x is equal to the 0, then what you are getting? 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 0 plus 5. 3 into 0, any number into 0 is 0 only, plus 5. That is 5 is the answer. So in this way, substitution, you should be very thorough, children. Please note it down. Now children, we are going to do about like terms and unlike terms. So what are like terms? See, this like and unlike deals with the variables. So all the algebraic expressions with the same variables are called like terms. Here numerical values may be same or different. So we are not considering numerical values. All like terms always deals with algebraic expressions only. That is variables only. They will have same variables. They should have same variables. If the variables are different, we can't consider. Suppose you have got 2x, 3x square, 4x, minus 5x, 7x cube. These are the terms. In this, what are like terms? What are like terms? 2x, 4x, minus 5x. So, what are like terms? Like terms are 2x, 4x, minus 5x. Why are they like terms? Because they are having same variable. You can ask me, we have same variable here also, no. Why are they not like terms? It is because they have powers. Here we have got x has power 2 and x has power 3 here. So these two are not considered as the same terms. Why like terms? Because their variables are not same. So you can even write like terms here we have got numerical values are different or numerical values can be same, that is 2x minus 2x 3 2 2x, okay, same value again and again. If it repeats, you have got 5 times or two, so many times they have given same value. This is also like term because the variables are the numerical values are same. If numerical values are same or numerical values are different, but we see that variables are same, these all should be same. Then only we can consider them as like terms. Don't consider the numericals. Numericals are same here, of course. So you may think that all should be like this. No, it is not. Numericals always, they need not be same. Here see, numericals are different. Even then they are considered as like terms. Now if you talk about unlike terms, what are unlike terms? Unlike terms are all the algebraic expressions. Here also, yes. With different variables are called called unlike terms. They may have same numerals. As an example, let us take in this only 3x square 7x cube. Here you see these two are different. They are different. So we call them as unlike terms. Suppose you have got 5x, uh, 5x square, 5x to the power of 5. These are also called unlike terms, though these are same. Numericals are same, but we are concentrating on variables only. So when variables are different, we call them as unlike terms. So if you have a thorough knowledge about like terms and unlike terms, your additions, subtractions, and then divisions, mostly these two of algebraic expressions will be very easy if you can have all these particular bases, that basic knowledge that what I have given children here. These are very important. Don't forget, because always when you are writing algebraic expressions one below the other, you should concentrate on like terms and unlike terms. Basing on that only you have to group them. So this all you are going to use. All these basics which I taught, you are going to use in future problems, children. Please note it down. Now we will deal with addition of algebraic expressions, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions we are going to talk. Example 1, add 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square and 2y square minus xy plus 4y square. So when you are adding, first you have to write them, group them as like terms or unlike terms. So how will you do? First, whatever is given, let us consider, take it as it is, 5x square plus 3xy plus 2y square. After writing what is given here, this is addition. Now we have to take the other expression that is given to us. In this other expression, you each term you see and put it under the same term which is there here. In case if that term is not there, we have to keep it in a new place. But let us see here, 2y square. So where is y square? Here. So I should write 2y square. What is the sign of this 2y square? Sign is also very important, children. When you are taking this value into the other place, you have to take it along with its value. Here there is no sign, along with its sign. Here there is no sign. So what we will say, whenever a number has a no sign, it has positive. That is why they are not mentioning. So I should write here plus 2y square. Next, minus xy. Where is xy? Here. So I should write minus xy underneath it. Next, 4y square. 4, I think 4x square. I have written wrongly. 4x square. So I should write under x square 4x square. So this is very important, children. That is why I have told you earlier that like terms, identification of like terms and unlike terms is very, very important, because here only you see, if you don't know to arrange them like terms and unlike terms, this 2y square usually as a normal numbers you will take, you will write it here. So that is wrong. That is why you should know how, you should have a thorough knowledge about like terms. That is, if you know the thorough knowledge about it, oh, this is y square. Y square is here. So I should write this number here underneath this. And please concentrate upon the variable as well as upon the sign of the particular term. Because if you write a wrong sign here, your problem will go wrong. So whenever you are carrying a number or a algebraic term from this place to this place, concentratedly with along with the sign you have to take. Now addition. Addition you will add normally with the numerals only. You will add it. These variables you don't add. You will write it as it is. So 5 plus 4 is 9 x square, and this is plus 3xy minus xy. That means plus xy means 1xy. So 3 minus 1 is 2xy plus 4y square. So this is the answer for this problem, children, under example 1. You have got example 2, children. Example 2, subtract. Subtract 2xy plus 9x square. 2xy plus 9x square from 12xy plus 4x square minus 3y square. This is the problem. It is subtraction, children. Be careful. This is subtraction, this is addition. Subtract this value from this means, already usually you will write subtract. Generally you have done in your previous class. 7 from 50. After from what is the number that we take and subtract 7. 43 you will be getting as the answer. So after from which number is there, that we have to write first. So after from we have got this. Let us write it. 12xy plus 4x square minus 3y square. Write it as it is. Below it you have to write this. 2xy. 2xy means xy is here. So you write 2xy. And 9x square plus 9x square plus 9x square. There is no y square. Now children, please be careful. When you are adding, the gap between this and the line can be less. But here while subtracting, you take gap, more gap. Why should you take more gap? The reason for it is, whatever you have written here, their signs will change. Why should they change? Because we are subtracting. Here, there is no change in the signs. As it is, what is given, you have taken and you have added. But in subtraction, it is not like that. By observing how the problem is, from this, after from whatever expression is there, we will write that expression. Then below it, like terms together, we will write. After writing it, maintain certain gap here so that we can write here the changed signs. This is having no sign means plus, so it becomes minus. This is also having plus, it becomes minus. But this will not change. Why? Because it is not here. This will be having sign as it is. So now when you are doing this, you have to consider for this sign, not this sign. So integers addition, 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10xy. plus 4 minus 9. 9 is more, so we'll have minus sign. So 9 minus 4 is 5, minus 5x square. This 3y square as it is, we will take it out. This is the answer for the subtraction, children. You should be very, very careful about addition and subtraction in algebraic expression, because I found many, many students doing mistake here. These are very interesting and very easy. Usually people, algebra means we can't learn, this is so tough, they say. But it is not at all tough, children. If you use concentration, be very concentratedly, if you do, definitely you can score very good marks in this algebraic expression. First, from your mind that algebra is very tough, please remove it from your mind. So let us see this. Add the following. Add the following means what I said. Just take first as it is, whatever is given. Now carry over the next ones here under the like terms. Here 2y square, this 2y square should come under y square. Xy should come under xy. But when you are taking, I told you many times that sign is very important. Minus xy, I told minus xy. Minus xy means minus 1xy actually. 4x square here. Even though it is having plus sign, I have not kept it here because it is understood that without any sign means that is having plus sign. So directly we have added 5 plus 4, 9, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Children, one more thing that I don't know whether you have identified it or not. Normally, when you are doing any number addition or subtraction with numerical values, we start with units place, units, tens, hundred, like that we will do it. But we are not doing here. We are not starting from right side. We are starting from left side. This also you should understand, because there are no units, tens, hundreds places here, because every single term has got its own units, hundreds, tens, hundreds according to the value given to you. So always when you are adding or you are subtracting, you have to go from left to right, not for like ordinary numbers from right to left. That means here we will go from right to left because we have got units, tens, places. Here that places are not there. Places are there for every term. Every single term. If you take this term, this is units and this is tens. But we cannot consider in this any terms. So right from left to right, this is about additions and subtractions. 2xy plus 9x square from, they said this. So whatever is there, expression after from, we are writing as it is. Then like terms together, 2xy, I wrote it here, plus 9x square, I wrote it here. Then leave a gap and draw a line so that you can change the signs of these two. Plus 2 becomes minus 2, plus 9, 2xy becomes plus 2xy becomes minus 2xy, plus 9x square becomes a 9 minus 9x square. This will not change because it is in this expression, not in the bottom line. In the top line only it is. So this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So when you are doing this, it is nothing but integers addition. Subtraction is nothing but integers addition. So minus 2 here. So 12 minus 2, 10xy. For plus 4 minus 9, that is 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 is having minus sign, minus 5x square. This minus as it is we will be taking. This is how we need to do additions and subtraction, children. Please be careful, understand it perfectly well so that your problems will be very easy with you. Now this is do this sum, children. They have given a value, b value, c value, and they are asking to find out a plus b, a minus b, a b plus c, b minus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c. Very simple sum, children. Let us see. A is equal to 2y square plus 3x minus x square. And b, this is first bit I am doing. B. What is b? 3x square. 3x square will come here and it is having plus, and minus y square is here. like terms together. Now we need to find out a plus b. A plus b means, see, my 1 y square, that is 2 minus 1 is 1 y square, plus 3x, as it is we will be writing here, plus 2x square. Why? Because you have got integer 1 plus and 1 minus. 1 x square means 1 x square. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is first bit. And second bit, a minus b. A is equal to 2y square plus 3x minus x square, and b is equal to 3x square plus minus y square. So subtraction, I told you to leave a gap and change the signs, plus here and minus here. So here 2 plus 1, that is 3y square plus 3x minus, this is also minus 3 plus 1, 4x square. This is the answer for the second bit, children. This is first bit and this is second bit. Now let us go for the third bit. Third bit, b plus c. B plus c, that is b is equal to 3x square minus y square, and c 5x square minus 3xy. 5x square minus 3xy in a new place. Why? Because there is no like term, no xy here. So I told you earlier also, you have to keep it under new place. So this is, here it is a minus b, here b plus c is equal to 5 plus 3, 8x square minus y square minus 3xy. This is the answer for the third bit, children. I hope I am clear here. What is happening here? You have to just add 5x square minus 3xy. 3xy is a new term because that term is not there in the top row. So we call it as unlike term. So we have to place it in a new place. Then normal addition we have to do. Now fourth one. Fourth one, b minus c. So b is equal to 3x square minus y square, and c is equal to 5x square minus 3xy. Now subtraction, so change the signs. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2x square. This as it is we will be writing, and minus 3xy becomes plus 3xy. Signs will change. This is the answer for fourth bit, children. Now let me go for the fifth bit. A plus b plus c. So what you have to do? Take a, 2x square plus 3x minus 2y square, 2y square plus 3x minus x square, and b is 3x square. So I should write here under this 3x square and minus y square, here minus y square. Next I have to go for the c. What is the c? 5x square. So underneath this plus 5x square minus 3xy. There is no xy here. So minus 3xy in a new place. Now we have to add here. Here this is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 y square. Here there is no like term underneath it. So this as it is we will be taking. And here 3 are there. Both of them are having plus and 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 7x square. I hope I am clear, children. Positive values first you have to add. 5 plus 3 is 7. From 7 you subtract 1. So, 5 plus 3 8. From 8 you subtract 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. And this as it is you will be right. 3xy. This is the answer, children. This is fifth bit. And now let us go to the sixth bit. Sixth bit is A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. So what is A we have got? 2y square plus 3x minus x square. And B is equal to minus y square plus 3x square. Next, C. What is C? 5x square. So I should write 5x square underneath it minus 3xy here. Now I need to do subtraction. Subtraction means signs of it is A plus B minus C. That means these two should be added and C should be subtracted. So only for C the signs will change. This plus 5 becomes minus 5. This becomes a plus. The remaining as it is we have to take because we are adding A and B. Only signs will change under subtraction. In addition, you don't have don't need to do any change in the signs. So 2y square minus 1y square, that is y square plus y square and plus 3x. And here you see minus 1x square minus 5x square minus 6x square plus 3x square. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3x square. I hope I am clear, children. This is having minus sign now. So minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is nothing but minus 3x square. And this is having plus sign now, plus 3xy. These are the answers, children, for this problem. So I hope I am clear. Once again, I'll explain this kind of sums are very, very important, children. So A plus B, A, B, C are given. A plus B, A as it is, you have to take 2y square plus 3x minus x square, and B is 3x square under x square you have to write with plus sign, y square under y square you have to write with minus sign. So addition 2 minus 1 is 1 y square, 3x as it is, 3 minus 1 is 2x square is the answer for the first bit. The same values you have to subtract. While subtracting, you have to change the signs. So when you change 2 plus 1, 3y square, this as it is, you will write 3x minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x square. This is second bit. Third bit, b plus c. B is 3x square minus y square. C is 5x square under 3x square. You will write minus 3xy, which is a new one. You have to keep it in a new term, so you have to place it in a new place. So 3 plus 5 is 8x square. This as it is we will be taking, this as it is we will be taking. Now the same values, subtraction is there. Subtraction means the signs will change, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2x square, minus y square plus 3xy. Next, A plus B plus C. All the three you have to add. A values I have taken, B values I have taken, C value I have taken. Like terms together you need to put. After putting direct addition, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3x as it is, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, and this is plus signs are more, so plus 7x square minus 3xy is the answer for this fifth bit. And for the sixth bit, a plus B minus C. You have to add A and B, but C you have to subtract. So after writing that, you have to give a small space so that you can change the signs of only C. Don't change the signs of B because B is having plus sign. You have to add B. So 2 minus 1 is y square. 3x as it is we will be writing. This is a 3x, children. 3x, and here minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6x square plus 3x square is minus 3x square plus 3xy are the answers, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.